In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a test email in Mailchimp. This is an essential step for ensuring that your email campaigns look perfect before they hit your subscribers' inboxes. First, head over to Mailchimp.com and log into your account. Once you're in, navigate to the left sidebar and click on Campaigns, then select All Campaigns. This is where you'll find the list of all your existing campaigns. Choose the specific campaign that you want to test. You will either click on Edit Design if you're still working on your email's design, or continue to progress with the current setup. Now let's get into the fun part, previewing your email. Inside the campaign editor, look towards the top right corner and click on the Preview drop-down menu. Select Enter Preview Mode. This handy feature allows you to see how your email will appear on both desktop and mobile devices, which can be crucial for ensuring your message is clear and your design responsive across different platforms and screen sizes. A useful tip here is to toggle between device views to ensure that your design adapts well no matter where it's displayed. Next comes the moment of truth, sending a test email. Using the same drop-down menu, select Send a Test Email. A pop-up window will appear, prompting you to enter one or more email addresses where you wish to send this test version. You can separate multiple addresses with commas if necessary. This is particularly useful if you're working with a team and would like multiple people to preview the email. If you like, add a short message in the pop-up just to clarify that this is a test email. Then go ahead and click Send Test. You should find the test email in your inbox within a few moments. Once you've received it, take a moment to thoroughly review it. Check not only your inbox but also spam and promotions tabs, as sometimes test emails might end up there. Pay close attention to details like the subject line and pre-header text to ensure they're enticing. Verify that all personalization merge tags, such as the first name or F-name tags, work correctly. Inspect image alignment and spacing, and make sure all links function properly. Also, don't forget to review the footer information and the unsubscribe link. If you're testing an automation or a customer journey email, simply go to Automations and choose Customer Journeys. Select the journey and click on an email card, then choose Preview and Test and Send Test Email from the options. This will help you see how automation emails will look when they're triggered in real time. Finally, to ensure your email looks great everywhere, you should test across different devices and email clients. Open your test email on both desktop and mobile platforms and check it in Gmail, Outlook, Yahoo, and Apple Mail. If your Mailchimp plan includes it, use the Inbox Preview feature to simulate how your email will appear across various clients.